Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on the driving robot Discovery based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and is programmed in Python. Using USB camera and sonar, as well as two touch sensors on front. It aims to go to an object using color separation via OpenCV, Open Computer Vision, and by means of this LED you can see if there's course correction coming, and this ventilator or propeller is used to indicate whether the algorithm still runs or not. Now, in the past I have had some issues with a battery going on empty and I had to replace it with a power cord, and I recently thought that could be much easier, but that can be explained by the schematics. So let's go to see the schematics. Okay, so schematics, and to walk through is power pulse modulation, then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3, which goes to the propeller. Then the lamp, I said LED, but it is actually a lamp. And then to the the counters for the motors, for the distance. But most importantly, right now, the battery packs. In the so far I had to, in order to not lose the connection and not lose power and keep on going, to use an AC adapter. But yeah, and that's then the symbol for the AC adapter. But why not use a second battery pack? So I have now added a wire, which I still have to change in the code. So this is the existing one, and of course I had it in the past just here, but it's a completely wrong setup. So the power goes in here, and with the ground connected here, and then the next one is on I5 in the same setup. So it's one at a time, not both at the same time. So I can just connect a battery while running, and then it's safe. With that said, let's go here. Different camera. It's not yet powered on. Then two terminals on which will go to, or on the controller. This is for ImageMagick and Robot Pro. Let's power on. Right, so this is the line where I define or read the battery voltage, and since the second wire is now connected to input 5, I would have to do this. So 5 and 7, and the only thing is now I have to implement it because this is just defining. So let's go to the end of the software. Oh, I'm not quite correct, because this is all battery and I am changing this to battery 5. Then this will be battery 7. Okay. Save, and then go to battery. here's the first one. And actually I have to do it for both. So we say here battery 5, then I really do know which one is which, and battery 7. And yes, that will be for the rest of the code as well. So next. And that will have to be done for all occurrences. So that may be a lot. Okay, so code has been adjusted. RoboPro shows me that this one is 8,4 volts, which is nice, which is fine. So let's make a first run. Which always takes at start for 2.5 seconds because the camera has to be activated. And yeah, this still takes too much time. And there we go. And actually then you will see this. And it looks all into the red, so that's no use. The camera is completely pointed here at red, so there is no touching there, there's no touching here, so there will be no turnaround of any kind. But data may show something in here as well, so next step is looking at the data file. Alright, so first some picture analysis. This looks good, and if I look at the comparison rate, lower is better as it has shown. So this could be better. But since it is all red, it will just go straight at it. If there was only a bit of red here, then it should have given a lower number. But something else struck me. Battery 5, and yeah, it's a bit coding error which I already corrected. So next run this will be on the next line. But most important, battery 5 is not connected. As this one shows, it is connected, which is strange. So battery 5 should not be red. They are kind of interconnected, but that's a bit of a bizarre thing. The wiring is connected in the sense that I can have 2 battery packs simultaneously for the walking robot. So this is an unforeseen effect. Having both do the measuring, and they're both measuring a different number, as you can see, because this is 1045, this is 1075. Not intended at all. Oops. Alright, now the battery is 8.15 something volt. I want to replace the battery pack. So this will be the first time for me as well. I am taking the battery pack, putting wires in it. Taking these wires out. Battery pack placement, and let's see whatever happens. It says 9.1 volts, 9.2 volts, which is kind of weird, but it shows a 0.9 difference in voltage, and let's run again. And for that I will have to put the robot back into place, which is right here somewhere. And let's go. Yeah, actually I should hold it like this, handheld, less stable, and with the risk that I have to again lose it because I have to type in the password, and I can't use a network error. Okay. Now something should happen. Oh, come on. Why isn't anything happening? This is just weird. Wrong password. Okay. This is weird. And after another 15 attempts or so, it just started driving, or anyway, the motor started doing something. So with some luck, oh, and by the way, I've repositioned the robot, and now, and there it goes, like this, bumping into it, but does it touch anything? I don't think so, and now it's looking halfway through it. Okay, never mind. This is now the comparison image, so it should be actually full red. So let's see if that is truly the case. Oh, and I don't have another result, so I'm going slightly back in time. I'm taking the 39, 58, which, okay, this says enough. So the result this definitely gives a very different number in comparison. You see the amount of the higher the number, the less red in it. Yeah, what to do is this. Not much, I'm afraid. So let's see data, and yeah, that's still a question. Why does it read from both? There's now the battery pack is connected to 5 and not 7. So that's something weird. And with these results I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, and you can subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show support by either becoming a patron or donate via either IBAN or PayPal, and you don't need a PayPal account for that. For my patronship, please take a look under the video or on my website, which is also listed under the video and in the next short shot. This is going to be continued. Stay safe, take care, bye.